Welcome to Nick Mayer Lincoln Mayfield, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, split fold-down rear seat, dual front side impact airbags, keyless entry, heated door mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted air conditioning controls, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, leather wrapped steering wheel, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Family-owned Nick Mayer Lincoln Mayfield has been proudly serving our community for nearly 70 years. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff that is dedicated to providing the best customer service for anyone that comes in. Our team members are selected based on their demonstration of an unwavering attitude of the importance of customer care and satisfaction. We strive to give each customer a luxury experience, whether they're getting an oil change or buying a new or used vehicle. Nick Mayer Lincoln Mayfield, we are here to service and sell cars now and in the future.